this video. In the previous video, we learned about the median of ungrouped data. Today in this video, we will learn to find the median of grouped data. The following distribution table depicts the points obtained by 120 players participating in sports competition. So, can you tell what is the median of the points received by the players? Let's see. Let us first discuss the given table. If you were asked how many players got less than 10 points, would you be able to tell? Absolutely correct. 5 players scored less than 10 points. Now tell how many players got less than 20 points? No. If you think 9 players, it would be a wrong answer. Rather, here, the number of players scoring less than 20 points will be 14. Because here, those players will also be included who have scored points between the class interval 0 to 10. And those players will also be included who have scored between class interval 10 to 20. Where 14 is the cumulative frequency of class 10 to 20. Similarly, we will find the cumulative frequency of all other classes. From which we can find out the number of players who scored less than 10, 20, 30, 40 and 100. This type of distribution is called the cumulative frequency distribution of the less than type, where 10, 20, 30, 40 and 100 are the upper limits of the corresponding class intervals. But because of the given distribution, if you are asked how many players got more than or equal to 0, then will you be able to tell? Absolutely correct. Here, all 120 players have scored more than or equal to 0. Similarly, if we count the number of players who scored more than or equal to 10, then their number will be 115. Because 5 players have already scored the points of the class before that is, the class interval between 0 and 10. In this way, we construct a cumulative frequency column in which the last row has the number of players scoring more than or equal to 90 points as 3. This type of distribution is known as the cumulative frequency distribution of the more than type. Since we have to find the median of the given data, so can you tell what we need to do for this? Absolutely correct. Use either of the above cumulative frequency distributions to find the median. Here, let's select the less than type of distribution, with the help of which we will find the observation that is at the center of the grouped data, which divides the data into 2 equal parts. You can see that here n is equal to 120, which is an even number. Therefore, if the number of observations is even, the median observation will be n by 2. So here, looking at the value of the median n over 2, that is 60, can you tell it is greater than or closest to the cumulative frequency of which class interval? Well done. The class interval of 40 to 50 is the only one whose cumulative frequency is more than 60 and also closest to it, which we call the median class. where 40 is its lower limit and 50 is its upper limit. To obtain the median, we use the following formula: L plus n by 2 minus Cf by f multiplied by h, where L is the lower limit of the median class, that is 40, and by 2 equals 60. Cf is the cumulative frequency of the class immediately preceding the median class, that is 52. F means the frequency of the median class, that is 26, and h is the measurement of the class, that is 10. Substituting these in the formula and solving it gives 43.07. So we can say that the median of the points obtained by the players is 43.07. This means that approximately 50% of the players have got points less than or equal to 43.07, and the remaining 50% of the players have got points more than or equal to 43.07. In this video, today we learned to find the median of grouped data. In the next video, we will see interesting examples based on this.